How to build a powerful brand in 2025. In 2025, if you don't build your brand, someone else will hire your skills, your expertise, and your knowledge to build their own brand, their own business, or their own company. And that is why you must prioritize building your online brand in 2025, because the online brand building has come to stay. In 2022, I started building my online brand as a contract banker. I was working as a 9 to 5 worker, and at the same time I was building my online brand because I knew that if I stay as a contract staff banker for 10 years, 20 years, nothing good will come out from it. I decided that I need to start building my own life and my own dream, and I started leveraging on the online space to build my life and dream. And in 2023, I decided to quit and build on a full-time basis. If you don't have the capacity to build on a full-time basis to quit your job, please do not quit your job. You can build working as a 9 to 5 and build your brand at the same time. You just need clarity on what works. So how do you build a powerful brand in 2025? Number one, you need clarity on which of your skills, which of your knowledge, which of your ideas and expertise you need to make profitable. You need to decide on which one of your skills, your talent does the world really needs, not the one you really love, but the one that you love, and at the same time people want it in the market. That is, the percentage of those that want that which you love is higher. People want the solutions you have, people want the expertise, the skills, the ideas. That is what you need to build on, and not necessarily what you love or what you like. You need to wait what you love and what the market wants together, and before you narrow down that this is the solutions you want to solve in the market. Number two, you need to decide who are your audience, after which you have narrowed down that this is the idea or the business or the expertise or the knowledge you want to build an online brand on. You need an audience, that is, who are the people that need this expertise you want to build on? Who are the people that the solutions you have belong to? Know them and begin to call them out as you build. And number three, which is the last but not the least, you need to position yourself so well to attract not just followers, but those who are interested in the solutions that you have, but those who are interested in buying what you sell, and those who are interested to release their money to pay for the solutions you render. I'm Faith Miracle Irabor, and I share my knowledge on online businesses, entrepreneurship, wealth creation, personal branding. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and follow. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and see you in my next lesson.